All right, this week it is a look at our town, New London, and a national company known for its quality products has a facility in this community.
Here's a look behind the scenes at Steel King, about to celebrate their 50th anniversary.
Hello, my name is Jeff Stillman. I'm the plant manager at Steel King Industries in New London, Wisconsin. Steel King Industries was founded in 1970 and has a national reputation for high quality, competitively priced, non-motorized material handling products. This facility in New London is one of three within Steel King, and about 95% of what we make at Steel King in New London is roll form pallet racking. Roll form pallet racking is a storage system that allows for storage of material on pallets or skids. Although there's many varieties of pallet racking, all offer horizontal rows with multiple levels. Here in New London, we will weld manually, and we also have some robotic welding that plays into producing roll form pallet racking.
I've been working at Steel King now for going on 5 years. Good relationships with the guys, teaching you, getting you up to speed to working with each channel that you have. Good apprenticeship program.
In 2018, I did the youth apprenticeship through my high school and came here and learned how to become a better welder. After that, I came full-time, and I just liked working with all the guys and just the welding in general.
How I got here was my dad. My dad's a welder here at Steel King. I did some of it in school, in high school, my senior year, and I really loved it. And then my dad told me to come here, so I came here.
The metal that we purchase comes to us in the form of a coil. We will take that coil and we'll punch any holes or slots into that. We'll form that into the shapes, the sizes that we need. We will weld that, powder coat it, package it, and put it on a truck and send it to a job site for the customers. All of the finish that we put on our products here in New London are powder coated, so there's no liquid painting, it's all powder coated. It's a higher durability for the industry. Next year the company will be around for 50 years, so we're not going anywhere, so this would be a good place for people to work.
Congrats to them. All right, for more information about Steel King and working there, head to steelking.com.